In Ghana, many of the views said there are certain people onyame ama more special prophetic gift ombetimi akenipa hint asem nyina achromo. Now this gift, they believe that these gifts are coming from God and they are using it and they are popular everywhere. Now many have this belief in as much as it being so engine, there's one prophet in town where I know, Prophet Emmanuel Adgyei'S. My a few compilations of his prophecies. I want you to take your time and just critically analyze this video and tell me if these prophecies are true or not. Abia, they were giving those informations proud to the service and now whatever, or probably the prophecies were not true, but the recipient or the prophecies decided to give them a good answer. Ebusia, younger Prophet Emmanuel Adgyei'S saw them.
4th July, where were you? You were around Wager area. It was a Saturday. It was a barrier service of someone close to you. The person is dead but still alive.
Okay.
Why? He's still standing here crying and saying, I did not die a rightful death. So tell him that my husband should not join me there. And I said, who are you? He said, I'm called Yolanda. Yolanda, pick him up. A young lady is buried around the Wager area. She's here and she's telling me, tell my husband that he should not join me. And he said, my husband is not here, but my husband's brother is sitting down there. So tell him to go and tell my husband that. Why? Because Ivan is supposed to be a prophet, and if the father dies, Ivan cannot be a prophet. Talk to him, ask him for me quickly. Let's continue.
Confirmed. Painful death.
She died a painful death. How old is she?
38.
38.
My junior brother's wife.
Your junior brother's wife. Do they have a child?
Yeah.
Just a child.
Yeah,
one
Ivan.
child.
Yeah.
One child. What's the name?
Ivan.
Still, up to now, they have not accepted her death. They are still in denial. True, she's not there.
Okay. Okay.
Until I give this prophecy, she will not go to rest. Where did they bury her? Wager.
Yeah.
My name is Prophet Emmanuel Adgyei'S. She mentioned another name, Sisi.
Ivan Sese.
Ivan Sese. Nazar.
Please analyze it. Yeah.
Can't you see her behind you? Is she a gun?
Yes, a gun.
One minute, Dokono, but Dokono poison. Her last meal was kinky. That's when she had the attack. It was a Tuesday. You remember? Okay. You doubt prophecies? Come here. She ate the kinky and she choked on the kinky. And strangely, they took her life. They are bringing that same kinky to the husband. National Health Insurance Scheme.
Yeah, that's where he works.
She just told me.
My brother works at National Health Insurance Authority.
The food will be eaten there in the office. The food will be eaten in the office. He doesn't like eating in the office, but that day he will have cravings for kinky. Sadly, he will take just 3 bites of the kinky and then he will pass out.
Okay.
They will go and check the kinky. They will say there's nothing in the kinky, because they wanted to check if it is the kinky seller who killed him. But this kinky is not from a kinky seller. It is a kinky that has been in the family for so many years that is killing people. This kinky, I will show you the root of this kinky, and I'll tell you the first person that it killed. I'll tell you.
Please analyze it. Yeah.
The kinky is now talking. If we don't stop this thing, we'll not hear good news by December. The Tuesday will become a demonic altar that will take lives. And if you don't stop it, when they are done, they will come to you. Because you have made a decision to help take care of the boy. Though he's okay, but you just love him. Especially your wife loves the boy dearly. So when they take him, they know you take care of the child, so they will come after you. Stretch out towards him. 113 years ago, that is where his problem began. Your problem is way older than you. I'm traveling back into the time of life.
Yes.
Have you heard Alavanya before?
Yes.
Alavanya and Akachi had a confrontation. In 113 years ago, a man was killed under a plantain tree. They were supposed to pick his corpse and bury the corpse well, but the family member did not find the corpse. They wanted to keep his name. They decided to call people in the family by those names. But the man is not asking for a name. He wants them to bury him properly. Until his remains are buried properly, anybody that bears the name Mawiram will suffer. Have you done the name before?
That's my name.
That's your name. Anybody who bears that
Please
name,
analyze it.
there is a particular mark that is written on his forehead. That is a sign that you will suffer until the error is corrected. Somebody calculate for me. Until we travel back 113 years. 1913. Now, whoever the mark hits you, the 1913 will pop up in your life. If you mark yourself, you'll find 1913 around you. Are you aware?
Yes, my MTN number, the last 4 digits is 1913.
Hey! Today, look into my eye. I will make you who you are supposed to be. It is settled. Why? I see in the realm of the spirit, because the man is not found, his life will be a wanderer. He will be a wanderer. He cannot stay at one place. He will keep moving and keep moving without being stable in life. I don't want to go into detail, because when I go into details, it will hit Eduji. The thing will hit Eduji, because Eduji will also have the same problem.
That's my son.
Hey. We're going to do something quickly. Who is Enam?
My daughter.
Your daughter?
Yes, please.
You will change Enam's name to Gifty.
Okay, Papa.
As soon as you change Enam's name to Gifty, Enam will have a dream that a man has come to her girl. She will tell you, I will so be to a ding Gifty. You must name one daughter Gifty. That means the gift is back. Today, that yoke is destroyed. You have lived twice. This is your second living on the earth.
Please analyze it. Yeah.
You have lived twice. The first you died in 1956, and you came back now. Now I'll give you a mystery that will shock you. All what you must live has been lived already. So if you want to live a good life, we must go back and bring what has been lived into time. Your life is finished. The first you lived the whole you. So you have nothing to live. The only thing you have to live is to be an account officer. The rest, it will not work. Hey, the you that lived before 1957 gave birth to 4 children. You have only 4 children on this earth. So I will see, if we don't go back to bring the children, you can never give birth. That is the reason why Mondays, 3 Mondays in 3 years, you miscarried. True or false? You are married for 3 years, and every miscarriage happens a year, and it happens on a Monday. Hey! But listen, I'm going to travel with you back to time and correct that error. You believe I'm a prophet?
Please analyze it. Yeah.
Because at that time, but other things, umpuntuo yede saka womba enu ehia me eye form nti wanye careful a wode usika ebe hwe enkrofo mba but wo de untumi hwe oba. I see in the realm of the spirit she will be married for 8 years, 2 months, 2 weeks, 2 days and 3 hours, and the marriage will collapse. Why? In the time of life, the person that lived here married well, and your marriage is gone. But we'll fix it. The fixing, the good news is that God has already prepared the time to make sure that it gets into the right time. Because listen, it can only be corrected on a Wednesday.
Okay.
Because this particular person I'm seeing died on a Wednesday. Died on a Wednesday around 2:15. Died at the marketplace where she was selling corn, and she died. So the error must be corrected on a Wednesday. So I will need 2 people born on a Wednesday. They should be children.
Please,
I am looking through your family, and I see those 2 children in the family, and I'm seeing that I can use them. I'm talking about your sister's 2 children, Kuku and Kukua. Kuku and Kukua, they are the 2 children of your sister. True. So 14 times they have tried to take these 2 children. Any prophet that sees them will see death. It's not because they want to die, it's because they are the only solution to repair the error. Are you aware?
Yes, you prophesied about it.
I prophesied about it.
Yes.
When?
My sister came to the council.
Council?
Yes.
The day bonds?
Yes.
The one I prophesied to the whole church.
You prophesied to the whole church.
And
yes.
I prophesied to your sister.
Yes.
Is she here?
Yes.
How would I know she's your sister? It's not possible, right? So it's not like we did arrangement.
No.
Look at the puzzle. How many of you remember I prophesied to the whole church? You see before me, and I prophesied to you. She said when the sister came, this is the same thing I told the sister, that the 2 children would die. So you see the puzzle? I'm not the only prophet. Many people have prophesied. Any prophet that sees the children will see death, because they are the only people who can save them. I will help you.
Thank you.
I will help you. Madam, I'm telling you, this Saturday you will have a call to travel to Malata. Don't go. This Saturday.
Please analyze it. Yeah.
When you go, you become paralyzed. Yashishe Edru Atuamo El Malata. Will you go there this Saturday?
That's where my shop is.
That's where your shop is. Don't go. Close the shop this Saturday. You are too Edru Eguho. Sebe fro. Now why you paralyzed? Sa Edru no Edi 112 years. Sa Edru no Empemba. Sa Edru no Ekumba Empemba. It has been in the family for years. If you don't know, ask your lineage. They will tell you women die more than men.
It's true.
Are you aware?
Yes.
Women die more than men. Men survive, but women die early. A drone is 100 and something years old, and that a drone is looking for you. Why? You stood in the gap to pray for somebody, and they said they want to take the person, but because you are standing in the gap to pray for the person, you should die in the stead of the person. But I hear God, it's true, right? The person is called Esther.
My mother.
They said because you are praying for your mother, they should eliminate you. Why?
Okay.
In the trap,
Okay.
your mother is next in line. In the trap, your mother is next in line. In fact, your mother was supposed to die 90 days ago. Specifically a Tuesday. Your mother will not lose her life.
Amen.
And you also not die. They want to take your life. It will not happen. Do you believe I can help you?
Yes, please.
1 to 10. How do you believe I'm a prophet? Rate me 1 to 10.
100.
You've gone past 10. Listen to me
Please
carefully.
analyze it.
Ask your mother. She will tell you. The people who die in the family, they are crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are your mother's siblings?
8.
And ask your mother. She will tell you something that will shock you. In that family, they were 8, but now they are not 8. Now they are 5.
Sure.
Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware?
Yes, Papa.
And in the 5, 3 are dead. Are you aware?
Yes, sure.
And the 3 that are dead, they are all ladies. Are you
Sure.
aware?
My mom is the only one left.
So there are 8, 4 boys, 4 girls, or 4 ladies, 4 men, and 3 are dead. All the 3 are ladies.
It's true.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
The last one that died, for you to know, the last one that died is called Evelyn.
It's true, Papa.
This is what they are saying. If we don't get Esther, let's take Melissa. What's your name?
Melissa.
Hear me carefully. Say it, the Spirit of the living God. You are going nowhere. Take it. Menstrual. Menstrual. Yadia Yansuro. Oh, yo, Yamia, Yanino, Napa.
Thank you, sir. Wait, my video not be doing paper, so we are. I don't know what's going on your mind. Messi said the comment section is yours. But so drop or comment. Emma say if we have prophets in Ghana that are genuine, definitely more. Subscribe to my page and also press on the bell. Send me upload the answer on sa able to make up background.